You guys, this is so exciting. I'm finally doing this video. Okay, I can't even get my thoughts together right now. I'm just super excited for this. So let's get started. So today we are going to make a lemon pepper salmon. It is so easy, delicious, and healthy. Because we gotta be healthy, queen. So funny, I actually started recording and I was talking and my memory card was full. So half of what I recorded didn't even make it on the card. So I gotta start over, which is why I have all over the place already. How do you YouTubers do this? So what you need today is asparagus, salmon, lemon. We're gonna chop this up, butter, basil, pepper, salt. I like to put my own little spin to it, and I add some lemon pepper just because I feel like it brings that little like zesty, peppery, salty. I just described lemon pepper, whatever. Anyways, and then garlic pepper. And I like to put oregano leaves too. This is olive oil, and I use this for the asparagus to bake. Before we even begin all the ingredients, it's really smart to heat up your oven, and you just want to heat up your oven to bake at 400 degrees and just pre-bake. So meanwhile you're making the ingredients, your oven's already warming up. I already prepared this because it's really not that amusing. And asparagus is usually like this big, and now they're like this thin. So I hope they don't overbake this time. I literally can't get my thoughts together right now. First you want a baking tray, right? And line it with aluminum foil just so nothing sticks on there, and it's really easy to clean up too. Sometimes asparagus comes a little dry on the side, so you want to either chop it with scissors or use your cutting board. I used a cutting board earlier. Next, you're gonna want to line up the asparagus around like this, and you can just put them nice and cute. And we already washed this, so don't come at me. Everything's washed. This was just another piece of foil, and you're just gonna want to crumble it like this, like kind of like you're making a bowl for the salmon. The reason why I do this is so the butter doesn't leak out of the salmon, and all the butter like soaks into the fish, and it's so good, bro. All right, so next you're gonna take your salmon, and I washed my hands already as well. And you're literally just going to put this in here. Voila. It's already pretty. All the colors, all the vibes. All right, friends, family, fans. Just kidding, we probably don't have fans yet, but that's okay. Put this to the side. Now we're gonna get started on the butter mix. So it's super easy. Anybody can do it.
Trust me.
I'm just gonna use like vegetable oil spread, which is butter, but it's not really butter. So if you want to use actual butter, I definitely recommend it. Whatever you have, if you have margarine, I always say margarine, like margarina, you say margarina in Spanish. Whatever. Butter. So I know it looks like a lot, but it's for the whole fish. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons, maybe a little bit more. I like to microwave it for like 30 seconds until it melts. So we're gonna do that. Be right back. All right, we back, and we back. Ooh, look at that stain, girl. So it's gonna be melted, obviously. I'm just gonna mix it around so there's no chunks. And I just kind of go crazy with the seasoning. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. Just make sure you're putting enough. I forget. It's funny, I forget people don't really like know how to cook anymore, because I was watching Double Shot of Love with Vinny and Pauly D, and the girls didn't really know how to cook, and the guys were like, you don't know how to cook? And I was like, I know how to cook, but you know, it's all good. Like, if it's not your thing, it's fine. Just enjoy the video and learn from the video, and maybe make a salmon for your bae. Or maybe bake and make it for you. You guys can have a cute dinner. I guess I'll just, to make this easier because I really don't even know what I'm doing right now, I'll just show you guys and give you like half teaspoon of this, half teaspoon of that, etc, etc. So I'm going to do half teaspoon of pepper. Okay. I'm going to do 1/4 teaspoon of basil. Actually, like, don't even fill up the whole spoon. Good. I love oregano. So I'm going to do 1/4 of that. 1/4 spoon. And look how cute these are! You know you're adulting when you get excited about stuff like this. Back to our scheduled presentation. If you don't have lemon pepper, because I know it's very specific to have in your kitchen. Wash my hands. We're back. I always sneeze when I'm working with pepper. I swear I'm like allergic or something. 1/4 teaspoon. You're not gonna fill it up. I also like to use garlic pepper because garlic is really good. I'm just gonna use that 1/4 teaspoon. Himalayan salt. If you have normal salt, that's fine. See how it's getting really dark? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Perfecto. Vámonos. Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos. Hey, hey. Now put this to the side because we already mixed that good old little. Let me try it. Actually, shouldn't do that. Let me try this. Fire. You guys, I promise I'll be more professional next time. It's just like I'm very comfortable in my own kitchen, so I'm just kind of like dipping my fingers everywhere. I don't do that when I cook for people. Next, we're just gonna cut the lemon. You know what? I am so dumb.
You are really dumb, for real.
I went to the grocery store and I forgot to get lemons, so we're gonna use a kind of old lemon that I have, but it still works. Like, it's fine. Half of the lemon I put into the butter. Mix this to the side, and then you're just gonna slice. This lemon is not prime right now. You saw how long that took me to cut. Maybe I just need to sharpen my knives as well. I haven't done that in a while. I bet you that'll help. Watch this. Oh my god, my lemon is so ugly. Ew. It's fine, you guys. It's okay. Honestly, you should have more lemons, so get 2 lemons and then do that. Slice a whole one because it's gonna look prettier. Trust me. Let's bring back the
concoction
that we did earlier. All the butter is just gonna sit in there and make it tight. Like, make it tight, make it right, make it tight, make it right. I don't even know what song that is, but you know what I freaking mean. Pour that thing. Pour that thing. Honestly, I might have made too much butter because I usually make this for a bigger piece of salmon. So you don't have to use all of it. I'm just gonna close up to this because I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm still figuring this out. So your salmon should look like this. Like a nice little boat of butter. You guys, we're almost done. This is the easiest thing ever, I swear. So next you're gonna grab your olive oil. You're just gonna drizzle around the asparagus. You just can rub it in. I have a really funny story that I've been wanting to tell somebody. Yesterday I took Torque, my dog, to the park, to a trail, and I was like, Torque, if you don't calm down, I'm gonna take you back to the car and we're gonna go home. And this lady, she was like, oh, don't you wish they listened like children? And I was so mad. I was like, she does listen. She listens to me, okay? I walked away. But yeah, that's my story. I'm just a feisty little spicy mommy. Next thing, last thing, literally so easy, so cool, so amazing. It's gonna be delicious. Oh, I can never open this. Okay, there you go. And just drizzle around your asparagus. Oh God. Some salt. Grab your lemons, put them right on top. Wow! Okay, honestly, the amount of lemon that I had was perfect for the size of salmon, but I suggest you getting 2 lemons, cutting one in half, using that for your base, and then using the other half and maybe like a whole lemon sliced up for your salmon. I usually put like the lemon around the asparagus, but I didn't have enough today, so I'm just dumb. Oh, last thing, just rub in your salt and pepper. And we're just gonna put this in the oven. And we're done. And we just wait and then we eat. And there she goes. There she goes. Look at that sizzle. Also, you can check the fish. Like, it's perfect. You guys, this looks so good and it smells freaking buttery as hell. Hell. It's so easy to do this. I am so freaking hungry. The asparagus is so crunchy. I cannot wait to eat the salmon. It's all mine tonight. Just keep an eye out on it because I did have to take it out about 6 minutes earlier. So if you're doing less than a pound of fish, I would suggest doing $4.25 for 16 to 20 minutes. If you're doing a little bit bigger, obviously you can add a little bit more time. Just keep an eye out. It's really not that hard. All you want it to do is look nice and pink, like pink whitish inside. I'm not going to plate it today because I'm just eating for myself. My mouth is so watery, I can't even talk right now. The butter went right into the middle of the fish. Wow. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope I didn't bore you. I love cooking. It's so much fun for me. You should try it too. If you try it and you post a picture on your story or your Instagram, tag me. Oh my God, I love food. Food is art. Enjoy, guys. Peace. Look.